That evening, Julie sent Michael a message. I want to do a video call tonight. Please, I need to see you. There was a long pause. The internet here is very bad, Michael replied. Please try. I really need to see you, she wrote. Another pause, then, Julie, I don't feel your trust. After all our talks and our relationship, I thought you understood me, Michael wrote. Julie read it 3 times. The kindness was gone. She could see it now. Behind all the warm words, there was something cold. He was trying to make her feel bad. He was trying to make her feel guilty. She felt angry, real anger. I know the photo is not you, she wrote. I know your name isn't Michael. I know what you did. She sent it. 4 minutes later, the account was gone. He had disappeared, as if he had never existed. Julie sat in the dark kitchen. She cried. Not loudly, quietly. She wasn't crying for Michael. She knew that now. She was crying for herself. She was crying for the woman in those conversations. At that time, she believed he truly wanted to listen to her, and that he found her funny and interesting. That woman was real. But he took something from her, something much harder to get back than money. The next morning, Emma was waiting outside the charity shop. She had 2 cups of coffee. I didn't know how you take it, she said, so I got both with milk. Julie looked at her. You didn't have to do that. I know, Emma said. They stood outside in the cool morning air. I feel so stupid, Julie said. You're not stupid, Emma said. You were kind. That's different. She paused. Scammers look for kind people, because kind people are easier to trick. Julie was quiet for a moment. How much did you lose? Emma said. £1,000. Emma nodded. We should report it to the police. I can help you do that. This afternoon, if you like. You don't have to. I know, Emma said again. They went inside. At lunchtime, they ate sandwiches from the bakery across the road. Emma talked about her father. He was ill. He forgot things. Emma looked after him 2 days a week. Julie talked about her son in Edinburgh. Does he call? Emma said. On Sundays, Julie said. That's good. Yes, Julie said. It is. She looked at Emma. Thank you, she said. For yesterday. For this morning. For all of it. Emma looked a little uncomfortable. Some people are like that with thank yous. Right, she said. Well. She picked up her notebook. Julie laughed. It was a small laugh, a quiet one, but it was real. Outside, the town was the same as always. A man arranged apples outside his shop. Someone walked past with a dog. The sky was grey and soft. Julie held her coffee with both hands. She thought about what Emma had said. He looks for kind people. Emma had been kind. She still was. She was not going to change that. Some people use kindness against you. But some people, like Emma, show you that kindness was worth it all along. Tuesday morning. Julie arrived at the charity shop at 9 o'clock. Emma was already there. She stood behind the counter with her dark blue notebook. She wrote something. She did not look up when Julie came in. "Morning," Julie said. "Morning. There's tea in the back," Emma said. Julie smiled. Last week, Emma was a stranger. Now she made tea before Julie arrived. Small things. That's what it is. They worked together quietly. Julie sorted clothes. Emma priced books. Pauline was on the phone in the back room, as always. It felt easy, comfortable. "How did you sleep?" Emma said. "Better. Not perfect, but better," Julie said. Emma nodded. She did not ask more questions. Julie liked that about her. At 10:30, the door opened. A woman came in. Late 40s. She wore a nice coat. But her eyes were tired. Not from crying, from not sleeping. Julie knew that look. She saw it in her own mirror sometimes. "Can I help you?" Julie said. The woman smiled. It was a careful smile, the kind that takes effort. "Just looking. Thank you," she said. She walked slowly around the shop. She picked things up and put them down. A vase, a picture frame, a small blue jug. She was not really looking at them. Julie watched her quietly. Emma watched her too. She did not write anything, but her pen was in her hand. After a few minutes, the woman stopped in front of the books. She picked one up. She read the back. She put it down. Then she picked it up again. "That's a good one," Julie said. The woman looked up. "Sorry?" "The book. It's very good. It's about a woman who starts again after a difficult time," Julie said. The woman looked at the book. "Is it a happy ending?" she asked. "Yes, it is," Julie said. The woman was quiet for a moment. "I'll take it," she said. At the counter, she paid for the book. Julie put it in a bag. "Are you local?" Julie asked. "Yes, I live on Birchwood Road." "I'm Diana," she said. "I'm Julie, and that's Emma," Julie said. The story continues in number 13. Word list for learners. Volunteer. To work without being paid. Account. A page on a website that belongs to you. Engineer. A person who builds or designs things. Retired. Stopped working because of age. Guilty. Feeling that you did something wrong.
If you enjoyed today's story, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching through to the end. New stories come out every week on this channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.